Hey, what's up guys? Today I got Uniden R3 Extreme Long Range Radar Laser Detector. I'm gonna show you guys what's inside the box and how I set up for my Tesla Model Y. First thing, there are 3 different language user menus in the box. And then this is a waterproof case. You can keep all your equipment in this pretty decent small bag. The first thing is a suction cup. This suction cup actually is really strong, pretty good to stick on your window. This is the radar detector. The size is pretty small, so it won't take too much space in your car. This is a 12-volt power supply you can directly plug into your car from the smoke socket. And the other side, you can directly plug into the side, the radar detector, instead of the back. The last thing in the bag is 2 suction cup, just in case you want to use a different style, put in your car, so you can always have backups. I'm actually going to use this magnet car cell phone mount instead of the suction cups in my Model Y. When I purchased this phone mount, it actually came as a metal ring. I'm going to put this ring in the back, this radar detector. There's also a piece of plastic. I think it's acting like a protection. This should be good. It's gonna block the speaker a little bit, but I think it should be fine. Not a big problem. Next thing, I'll peel the 3M. It's kind of in the center and in the back. This radar detector, make sure you press it firm. That way it stays on here. This is in the back, the phone holder. Position I'm pretty much gonna put right here. I can adjust the height a little bit. And then I'll put, since I already have the metal ring in the back of the radar detector, I can just stick in the magnet. If you look from the front, it will be positioned exactly on the left side, so it's easy to reach click buttons on the left.
Band. Laser. GPS connected.
So this is how it looks like.
Red light camera ahead.
This is how it looks like after I put everything together. You can adjust the phone mount by the height and also angle. This is where you will plug into your 12-volt power supply in the center storage compartment. The wire is hanging out a little bit, but it doesn't look too bad compared how much work you have to do for this one. By using a magnet cell phone holder, it's actually much better. So you can just tape the wire on the side of the car. That way it doesn't hang around. The most important thing is you don't have to open the Highliner, remove the middle mirror, and making a lot of electrical connections. This could potentially damage your car if you don't know what you're doing. And also saves you a lot of time. This is really easy to set up. I'm pretty sure everybody can do this. I also think this is better than using a suction cup because you don't have to drag the wire from the back all the way to the front. This is pretty much the end of this video. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment, give me a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe to my channel.